So how do you use pen for the Keynote on the iPad? And let's get started. If you're new on this channel, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss tutorials like this one. Well, if you are on your slides like this, you can tap on the like picture icon at the top of your page, right? Which lets us like bring in the camera or like a video from your gallery or photo, whatever. But at the bottom below, we have the drawing button. So when you click on this, now on your specific slide where you happen to be at the moment, you have the ability to just like start drawing or using the pencil to, like emphasize some points or draw something, whatever, right? Depending on your presentation and what you want to teach, right? So it will be like a drawing added on the top of your slide right there, and it will be part of your presentation. However, if you just regularly start presenting by tapping on the play button, you'll also be able to use your Apple Pencil if you have one and directly like scribble on the top of your presentation. But the difference will be now that you will not save those drawings to that presentation. It will only be part of your presenting process, right? Like when you click on the play button, you just want to showcase something, so you can use your Apple Pencil to like emphasize some points, draw arrows or whatever. But as I say, during the presenting, it will not be part of the presentation permanently. If you want the drawings to be part of your presentation, you'll have to just add it as I've shown you before by clicking on the picture and click on the drawing, right? So that's how it works. Let me know in the comments below if you made it successfully work on your device as well. Thanks a lot for watching, and I hopefully get to see you later in the next videos. That is only if you subscribe, so do that and I'll see you then.